Today we are going to check and change the oil in a Briggs and Stratton 093J Oat engine for a Viking MB 253.1 T Lawnmower. Before starting, make sure that the engine is level and clean if there is any debris around the oil fill area. Unscrew the oil cap. Using the dipstick, pull out and wipe with a clean cloth. Place the dipstick back in and pull out to get a true reading. This needs to be in between the min and max markings. Depending on the temperature, you will need to get a specific oil. For this video, we are going to use synthetic 5W-30. This is for temperatures of -29 to 38 degrees. Pour the oil into the oil fill area and do not overfill. After adding oil, wait 1 minute and then repeat by checking the level like before. Tighten the oil fill cap securely. That's how you check and change the oil on a Briggs and Stratton engine for the Viking lawnmower. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.